Hey guys, it's your girl Moya. If this is the first time you're watching my channel, hello, but it's the first video.
Okay, are we going to do this again?
Hey guys, it's your girl Moya. Welcome to my channel. This is my very first YouTube video, so I did try to stay very basic but with a poppin' lip because I love bright colors on my lip. Stay tuned and I'll show you guys how I created this look, and don't forget to subscribe on the bottom so you can get that notification every time I do put up a new video. Thank you guys. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the brows. Usually I'll do this off camera, but just because it's my first video, the two products that I usually use are the Revlon Color Stay 220 Dark Brown, as well as the Anastasia Beverly Hill Brow Pomade in the color Ebony. I usually always apply these two products with my brows. Then I go in to clean it up with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. This is another product that I usually always use. It's very affordable. You guys can find it at any one of your drugstores. It's like $2.99, guys, so you can't beat it. And to hydrate my dry ass face, I'm going to use my Badescu facial spray, and that's just to bring some hydration into my face again. I was looking a little dry. Alright, moving forward to the eyes, I'm just going to go ahead and prime my eyelids with the MAC Paint Pot in the color Lay It Low. I'm just going to apply this all over my eyes. That way my shadows will pop once I apply them on. I guess that's the point. So the first color that I'm going to dip in my Jaclyn Hill palette is the color Roxanne. This is a perfect transition color, guys. It's warm, it's beautiful, and I'm just going to apply that all over my crease. Using that same LA Girl Pro Concealer I used with my brow, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. Then I'm going to dip into the color Antique Bronze from my ABH palette and apply that all over my lid. For liner, I'm going to use my NYX Epic Ink Liner in the color Black. I really like this liner. It just glides on the lid. The only thing about it is you do have to shake it up a little bit, but other than that, it's really nice and affordable, and I like it, so that's all that matters to me. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot. I am not using any falsies today just because we're going for a very basic look. I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Shine Control Primer. I really love this primer. It works great with almost every foundation that I have. It does leave like a little white cast when it's applied, but it works well. And it's very affordable, guys, so definitely get you some of this. I'm going back in with my MAC Paint Pot and applying it on my laugh lines. This is going to prevent the creasing when I do apply my foundation. Once I do that, I then go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in medium deep. And I just apply that all over my face, especially my T-zones. That way my face is matte after my foundation is applied. For foundation, I am using one of my new favorites, the Maybelline Super Stay in the color 360 Mocha. I was a little bit skeptical about this color in the beginning because it is a little bit on the orange side, but it does oxidize, and when it did, it matched me perfectly. I really love this foundation. Maybelline is really stepping up their game, and this is a drugstore foundation, guys, and it's very affordable. I believe I paid $11 for it, but I'll leave that information below. To conceal, I'm going in with another Maybelline product. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Cafe. I'm just going to apply this everywhere where I want to highlight, under my eyes. My forehead, my chin, above my lip, as well as down my nose, the bridge of my nose. I'm going back in with that Fit Me loose powder, and I'm just going to set all of the areas that I highlighted. Now, I don't really bake. I barely bake, I should say. I usually just press the powder against the areas that I highlighted, and that's it. I'm just not a big fan of baking. I do it once in a while, but especially not for this look. I definitely won't bake for this look. Because I look so ghostly right now, wait, is ghostly even a word? I'm going to go ahead and contour my face, bring some more warmth to this face because right now it's just looking a little too white for me. I'm using my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette in the color medium to dark, and I'm just going to go ahead and bring some more warmth to my face, on my forehead, on my cheekbones below, trying to make me drop a couple of pounds right here, as well as create myself a fake nose. Yeah, you see my nose right there? Who needs plastic surgery when I could just do this to myself all the time? I could wash it off and put it back on, wash it off and put it back on. Yeah, I know I'm extra, whatever. To bring some more color into my face, I'm going to go back in to the areas that I highlighted. I'm going to add my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. And this is just going to bring some more color back into my face, so I'm not looking too powdery right now, or white, or casty, or whatever you want to call it. For blush, I'm using my MAC powder brush in the color Raisin. I really love this color, and I highly suggest it for my deeper tone girls. This is one of my favorites, and it works wonder. For my eyes, I'm going to go back into my Jaclyn Hill palette and take the color Roxanne as well as the color Chip and just apply that to my bottom lid. I'm then going to take my Maybelline Colossal Big Shot mascara and just apply that to my top lashes as well as my baby lower lashes as well. For eyeliner, I'm using the Lorac pencil. I don't know what collection I got this from, but I just know it's black. I leave it below if I figure out where I got it. For highlighter, I'm dipping into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sun Dip. And I'm going into the color Bronze, and I'm just going to bronze the hell out my face. Everywhere. Literally everywhere. Highlighting is really my favorite part of doing makeup. It's just to put all highlighter all over my face. Going on to the lips, I'm lining my lips with this liner that I got from Ulta Beauty. It's in the color Wine. I really love this lip color. I'm sorry guys, excuse my sisters in the background. They're just being really rude right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and line the lips. Leave it up to me to go ahead and break the lip liner while I'm lining the lips. So I'm going to go in with this liquid lipstick from ColourPop. It's in the color Barracuda. I really love this color, and it just works so well with this lip liner and my eyes. Okay, I picked a good color. I really like this. Look, I'm feeling myself right here. To set my entire face, I'm just going in with my MAC Studio Fix in NW45. I'm just going to set my whole face with this everywhere. The face, the forehead, the cheeks, the chin, my neck. Don't forget about your neck, guys. Definitely don't forget about the neck. To set my face, I'm using my Makeup Revolution Oil Control Fixing Spray. Here I go being extra again. I'm just going to spray this all over my face. I love this spray. I've been using it for a couple of months now, and trust me guys, it has not disappointed me. Here I go with my dance. Yes, do my dance, do my dance, do my dance. Go ahead and let this sit in. Oops, I almost forgot about my brow bone highlight. So I'm just going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm taking the color Meek, and I'm adding that to my brow bone as well as my inner tear dot. Excuse me guys while I film myself for a little bit right now, okay? Yes, Monyia, yes, girl, yes. Simple, but at the same time gorgeous. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay beautiful. Love ya. Mwah.